Get disconnected.
Right.
Then he will be stuck up, and there is no other video which will teach exactly
What
that how
he
to do
needs
this.
to know,
And
yeah.
and that is a real life challenge. Like everybody knows, if your mobile also gets broken, the screen gets broken,
Yeah.
it is for you that problem. Other people will not understand
Correct.
what has happened exactly.
Yeah.
So that way, what has to happen there is that we have to switch over that mode. Instructor led. So somebody like I have got the entire learning path, like what is the learning path which he is going through, so that the instructor led modules also will be customized at places where we feel that the recorded videos are not going to.
So what do you suggest for our team? What do you suggest?
So train the trainers so that the trainers will carry a long-term vision of how to plan learning. This is all about planning the learning. That okay, I want to achieve this milestones. So milestone for him may be different, for him may be different.
Right, right.
So he wants to do, let's say, CISPP certification, which is an industry recognized certification. So what is the entire milestone he where he completes the first phase of it, what is the second phase of it, what is the third phase of it. So that planning, that the content, how to filter those content to bring it into that that timeline. That is my job. That I will have to plan it. That okay, he has to undergo these modules. Now, for example, let's say it's not a case of a Dominic as a CISPP aspirant, but let's say he's not a CISPP aspirant, but he's a student. Let's say, and now what happens there is a different scenario, right? He is not having any basic idea.
Right.
So there, I have to be tailoring the content to his need.
Right.
That okay, he will be only go through the basic beginner module, which is a core. After core, take up one or two other modules, which is for that prerequisite as a core. Once he finishes the core, then he can go to the next two modules, and then he stops at that module only because it doesn't go beyond that. Then it is like an intermediate level, and after intermediate level there is advanced level, right? So that planning we have to do because they have given the content. They have more than 3,000 plus video, but there has to be someone.
Now it will be very soon. It will be
Total
more.
recorded videos, I'm saying.
I see.
Total recorded videos, they have 3,000, more than 3,000 videos. 11 courses they are having. Total 11 products are 11. They are having. So what Dominic was mentioning is if somebody is writing a content. In this case, he is referring me for this.
Yeah.
But what it means is we'll have to see for every different segment what kind of content can be tailored, so that we incorporate certain modules.
Right.
So that we don't end up wasting the time of a student. Like if somebody is not good at programming, there is some module which is mentioned here like secure programming. Now that is a technical bit. It's not everybody's it's not everybody's cup of tea. Like somebody who has really interest, like a nerd guy who really likes coding and all, will like it. Other people will not like it.
Right.
For example, cyber law practitioner is there. He's an advocate. Now, if we try to fit him in there, he will not fit in.
Yeah.
So what it means is that they have to be given the specific learning paths, which these people will not give because they have the content as a whole in mind. They don't have the specific tailor-made content, and nobody can do it. I can share that. Nobody can, actually,
People like Abbas is a rare because he has seen both the things. I mean, I told you, because he has catched up for last 2 years because of lockdown. I've been to his place. The way he works, when he has the guts to say that he's doing 10 webinars, which I have seen that till 2 o'clock in the night he's busy with OEMs, he's busy with vendors.
I mean,
So
different
much
time
interest
zone.
you have in this line, huh?
Yeah.
So
It's like a passion for you.
Yes.
So if he comes up with some, it will be a lot of work for us. I mean, for at least in the initial stage, we have to stack up all the documents or stack up all the paperwork, and so that the students are benefited.
Right.
Straight away, they will feel the benefit. And as you said,
Overall, correct, that will be an institute, according to you?
Yeah, we were discussing
Academy.
academy. We are discussing a name कि academy होना चाहिए कि coach होना चाहिए कि trainer होना चाहिए. We have good logo.
We can say PRR academy or PRR learning
coach,
or
trainer.
coaching, something like that.
Because these are some innovative words. People will come to us, and it means also if you're meaning a coach, we have a coach who can actually put you exactly. Even he can train the trainers also, train the professionals also. Because that's the thing I am
Can
saying.
you do it for lawyers?
Yes, law का मतलब like it will
All
be
the IT laws.
yeah I can
That's a good thing because people who are already working, they want to enhance something. And
Exactly.
if we have a good ad coming up like this, we are addressing to your the gap you have. You are into law, you want to cover up cyber law, so we can do it. He just has to curate the model for them, and once he gets the hang of it, now he just push the content to.
You already done it, or you have to prepare for lawyers?
No, so as far as India is concerned, there are only two, as I said. One data privacy law is already, it's already in pipeline. They are going to roll out anytime soon. And we have IT Act. So IT Act to understand and kind of teach them on the cyber crime aspect of the IT Act. Entire IT Act is. For me, at my level of experience, going through so many, understanding a lot of attacks and all what is happening in India, and also talking to a lot of people from the same fraternity. I have been talking to some policemen somehow. Maybe something related to cybercrime. In the past, I'm saying not a recent past, but some past. So
Suppose he has been accused in the jail because he's come on say. Can you represent him?
yes,
But we do only the innocent people,
yeah,
जो फंस गया है
yeah,
पूरी तरह से,
yeah,
not because of what he has done.
yeah,
So for that we can take this. You have to represent as a lawyer for it,
yes,
as an attorney for it. You are ready for it?
yes.
Ready.
I told you ना sir is tapping that thing कि जो talents अंदर है ना जो
Lot of talent inside the jail. Lot of talent.
Yes.
Smart, but used it in the wrong way.
Yeah.
Now we have to rewind them.
Completely rewind them. Yes.
And they'll be such an asset,
Yeah.
to
So
themselves
what
and to
Dominic has
everyone.
brought up is still we have not reached the end point in the entire goal setting. What he mentioned is that we can do the placement for them.
Please, right. Yes, right.
We can do the placement for them.
Yes, right.
Like we not only
I'll tell you, eventually what I want to do. The cybercrime here, manpower is less. You know that. We are having huge shortage of manpower. Cases are more. Huge cases are there. It's not enough. So they are taking from others. They are hiring for other people. And they'll be paying a good amount, very good amount. Now see, we are jail people, we are government, and cyber is also in government. So lots of money is going for them. Suppose a prisoner is there, he was from the prison on this. So what will be the salary for him? What will be the benefits for him? Will be 22 rupees, 25 rupees, 50 rupees. I feel it should be given. So the money which is coming, it will save the government's expenditure. As it is, ऑफर हो गए गवर्नमेंट बस पैसा नहीं इस वक्त. So why not we take the thing initiative and we teach these guys. केसेस हम लोग लेंगे, जेल में बैठ के वो करेंगे बंदे, and we can also make good amount in that. Government will be very happy because they will be saving so much of money. और उनका काम भी हो रहा है. और चोर है ना, चोर को अगर इंस्पेक्टर बना दिया पुलिस वाला तो चोर भी बेस्ट हो जाएगा, सुपर कॉप हो जाएगा. एग्री? तब वही करना है. चोर को हम अभी इंस्पेक्टर बनाना है, पुलिस इंस्पेक्टर. ओ इतना खुश हो जाएंगे. अरे सबसे बड़े बड़े जो है ना, तो क्या चाहिए सर, हमको आपको जैसा बनना है, तो वाइट बनना है सर, वाइट. अकॉर्डिंग टू वाइट व्हाट इज व्हाट कि वो लोग हमारी तरह क्लीन, किधर भी जाएंगे बीचने, उनको कोई पुलिस वाला ये नहीं करेगा, कोई उनको तंग नहीं करेगा. बस दे वांट टू बिकम वाइट, दे कांट बिकम वाइट. अभी इनको लड्डू देंगे, लाइट वाइट बनना है, चल एक काम कर, घूमेगा तू, दीदी को लेकर सिनेमैक्स में बैठेगा, इधर बच्चे लोग के साथ में पिकनिक पे जा सकता है तू, कोई माइका लाल तुमको हाथ में लगाए, कम्युनिटी बना के देंगे अपने गवर्नमेंट से, वो बोलेगा कि इतना ठीक है, आई एग्री टू इट, तो निकल जाता है वो बड़ा बड़ा इसमें 1 साल 2 साल 1.5 साल या हम समझो 4 साल में जो है उसका जो उसका सजा लगता है कुछ 4.5 साल,
उसका पिटीशन डाल के वो
उसको
माफ
कर-
करा देना
हाँ,
होता है।
6 महीने में बात क्लियर। अब हम लोग इतना अच्छा काम करते हैं, आपको पता है एक आदमी एक बंदा प्रिजन का कैदी इज इक्वल टू 200, वो अगर सुधर गया ना तो 200 लोगों का फायदा होता है। दैट बिलोंग्स टू फर्स्ट पीपल, इट अफेक्ट्स हिज फैमिली, फिर उसका बाजू वाला और समाज, 200 पीपल गेट बेनिफिट ऑर्डिनरी क्रिमिनल। और अगर बड़ा हो जाता है, छोटा राजेंद्र जैसा दाऊद जैसा लाखों में हो जाए, ये अपना मकसद हो सकता है। लेट्स डू दिस। और ऐसा नहीं कि दैट विल नॉट गेट मनी, पैसा भी आएगा, गुडविल भी हो जाएगा, जिसका नाम अगर बनाना है, आई एम शाई ऑफ ऑल दिस कैमरा कैमरा हमको नहीं चाहिए बट स्टिल ऑल्सो रह जाए, तो जिसको तुम लोग को लेना है क्रेडिट ले लो, मिल जाएगा आप लोगों को। आई बिलीव इन सीइंग दैट वी हैव गिवन अपॉर्चुनिटी, बहुत लोग को अपॉर्चुनिटी है, बहुत लोग बहुत अच्छे
Yeah, like, you know, we have done a good counseling in the jail because it's not easy for us to counsel all of them. So what happens is some people are smart and they can pick up. So we had a nice group counseling, and the first thing I told them is that I want to tell all you people that you all are good people. And they're so shocked, they're looking at me as though I'm really mad, you know, because they are in the jail. Then how can they be good? So I told them, see, listen, you are all good because God has created us, and God, when God creates, He doesn't create anything bad. He creates everything good. But what is bad in you is your actions. What you have done is bad, but you all are good. Okay? So thank you, madam. I said, okay, so now you give a clap for yourselves that you all are good. You know, they must have thought the first time somebody is calling us good because everybody shuns them.
Exactly.
Everybody says, what people you are, you know, hopeless people, they don't want to talk to them also. So I told them, no. I said, and there is a chance for you all to get out of this jail fast. Because, you know, there is a rainbow at the end of the tunnel, you know, always. So you have to look at that at hope and change. When you are in the jail, you have to build up good things, become good people. Help one another. Don't do anything wrong. Don't plan out all wrong things again when you have come out. Because again you will come back in the jail. Yeah. So you're not going to get out of this mess of yours, you know. So when I was telling them, they were so happy. After that they were coming and talking more to me, you know, and asking me so many more things about themselves. So we said we'll have sessions for you. So we had quite a lot of sessions for them, counseling sessions, how to go about things and all. So they can help their counter people, you know, there. So at that time I realized, you know, when you give a dog a bad name and he lives up to it, it's like that. So I said, when you said that somebody they're good, you know, then they say, okay, somebody's cause is good. He can become good. He can become good. So these are the things, how things change for them, you know. So
It's what I understood from your talk is like we need to have a paradigm shifting the mindset.
Yes.
So they might be feeling that they are always called by society, by the judiciary, by the entire country as criminals.
Yes.
और उनको अगर हम mindset change करेंगे, there's a paradigm shift in their mindset, you know. So yes, so
it makes a big difference. You tell anybody, even when my mother was a teacher, and you know the worst children in her class, she made the best. Yeah. Because you know she used to take all these duffers and she used to tell them, you become monitor of the class. So when they became monitor of the class, she said, now if you're monitor, you have to study well. Yes. So when they got that title, monitor means it's a great thing in school.
Yes.
So they used to study, and then the principal used to say, how have you done all this? Yeah. So nothing. You just pick up the bad ones and make them the good ones. They become the good ones. Right. It's what you give a person, no? That person wants to live up to that name. Yes. So it's like that, you know. So
very true.
So we can all learn the thing well, and we
how do you plan to educate our boys, our people?
So are you asking for the planning point of view? Where do we start and how do we go ahead and all?
Yeah.
So I think, one thing is, as we are already discussing about partnering